In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a symbols grid using the Commtap Symboliser for PowerPoint. I'm going to start off by making a blank slide, so new slide, blank. I'm going to be making a grid with the text boxes above the pictures. So you can set where you want the picture to appear in relation to the text by clicking on Preferences in the Commtap Symboliser group on the ribbon. So we've got it set here already, text above the symbol. So when I type some text in a text box and I click on Symbolise, the symbol's going to appear below it. So now I'm going to make a grid that takes up half the page so that I can put something else above it. Of course, if you're making a communication book or board, then you want it to cover the whole page. So what we do first, we're going to create a shape that's going to cover half the page. So I'm going to choose a rounded cornered rectangle and drag it across half the page. So this is going to be like our cell, but this is going to be much bigger than what we're going to end up with. When we click Make into Grid, it's going to split it up into smaller cells. So now we want to format this shape so it looks right. So if we right click on it and choose Format Shape, then we can alter it. So we don't want any fill, so take out the fill. I want the colour to be black, so choose black. And I want to increase the width. 12 points is about right. Now I want to add a text box. So choose text box, click inside the cell somewhere, type in some text or some random text. Doesn't matter what it is, it's just so that when we scale it, we can still see where all the text boxes are. Select it, center the text, and also make it a little bit bigger. So choose 72, for example. Then align it into the center of the cell. So you'll see a red line, red dotted line when it's in the center. So now there we've got our cell ready to be made into a grid. So what we can do now is select all of that, choose Make into Grid, and I'm going to want 4 columns and 2 rows. Okay, there you have it. There you have your symbols grid ready to be symbolized. So now I'm going to start symbolizing. So just type in your text and type on Symbolise in the ribbon. Now that's come out a little bit small. So if we click on the image, and we can resize it. And we want all our other symbols to be of the same size as well. So if we click on Default Size in the Commtap Symboliser group, then all the other images, when we symbolize them, are going to come up that same size again. So we go in the next one, tree, symbolise, you see it's now a little bit bigger. Don't like that tree, try another tree. Not sure about that one. How about that one? Okay, now I think I prefer the first one, so if you click on previous you can go back to the previous ones. So there you have it. There you have making your symbols grid. Now if you decide that, oh well, I want this grid to be a bit smaller, I want some more space to do something else, you can select all the grid or part of it if you want. Choose Scale, and the Scale selection box will come up, and then you can change the scale. I'm going to choose Lock Aspect Ratio, so it's the same proportions when you scale it. So there you have it. If you want more information about Commtap Symboliser, you can go to symboliser.commtap.org.